To get dynamic island notifications on POCO M8 5G, let's start by opening the Google Play Store on our device. This feature is not available by default on this phone, so we'll need to download an app that allows us to get the dynamic island notifications. So now we need to find the Google Play Store. When you open it, go to the search and type dynamic island. Then look for this specific app. Click on it and install it. When it's ready, hit open and then wait until the app is set up. Make sure to agree to anything that will pop up, otherwise this app may not work. And keep in mind there will be plenty of ads along the way, but after you get the top notch, you won't care about them that much. So we need to wait till the ad is done and then we can skip and close it. Now go to dynamic top notch bar and activate it. First go to accessibility right here. It will transfer you to accessibility. I will show you exactly what you need to do there. So open your settings, go to accessibility, which is found in additional settings right here. Then in general options, click on downloaded apps and select dynamic notch and make sure that this option is activated like I have it right there. Then we can go back to the app and enable notifications permission. Find dynamic notch and allow notifications access. You will need to wait 10 seconds for each of the options change and then click on OK. Call, also dynamic notch. Battery optimization needs to be set to no restrictions. And now we can go to home, and that way, as you can see, there's a top notch showing up, and that is your dynamic island notifications. Now if we receive any notifications, they will show up as the time capsule, as you can see. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.